I'm Sarah, and I love prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that have exactly two factors, one in itself. And I want to talk to you today and give you a glimpse into Minnesota kindergarten benchmark 0.3.5.4. And I want to tell you how it's same and different from a current kindergarten benchmark. The new benchmark has a prime number in it. It has the number 31. And the good news is kindergarten students don't need to know what a prime number is in kindergarten. So why is 31 in the benchmark? Well, benchmark 0.3.5.4 states students should be able to count forward with and without objects up to at least 31, and they need to be able to count backwards from 20. It's very similar to our current 2007 kindergarten benchmark, specifically benchmark K.1.1.3, where it asks students to count both forward and backwards with and without objects up to 20. So why did 20 change to 31? Well, the committee thought about a tool that students might use in the classroom and teachers might use in the classroom. And they thought about a calendar, and they thought about, we're currently in the month of September, that students could count how many days, maybe from the first day of school. And many months have 30 days, and some months like October go up to 31 days. And so it's a number that students encounter in their life. And you could, in your classroom with your students for this benchmark, count the number of days since you last saw rain, so you could count backwards how many days that was since you last had rain. Maybe you could count forwards to when a student in the room is going to have their birthday on the calendar. But as a calendar is a tool that you could use part of your morning routine in your classroom or during the math block. There's also all kinds of other items that you could count, and you want to get creative. Other items you could count in the classroom and give students counting both forward and backwards. I also was at the state fair last week, and these things are also in students' home. And when I was at the state fair, I went into the stalls in the bathrooms, and there was over 40 bathrooms in there, and they were all numbered with the numbers. And so I could have counted how many stalls were open, how many were closed, and I could have gotten creative, and I could have done that with a child in my life. So get creative. So I just wanted to give you a glimpse into this benchmark. If you have ideas of how you could implement benchmark 0.3.5.4 in your classroom, comment below. If you have questions about it, comment below, and we will get back to you. You can find additional information linked in the description. And I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to MCTM's YouTube channel to see more Benchmark of the Week videos that drop every Sunday at 6 p.m. And we look forward to seeing you next time.